Hi, how are you, friends? I hope you all are well and you are learning English in a great way. Welcome back in my channel. I am Satyendra. You are learning English with Burma Satyendra. Today I am going to share you how to interact the people, how to conversate to strange people, how to conversate to strangers. This is a question. Who people are student or who people is working professional or who people is going to something exploring or people is going to for some visiting purpose. So definitely the lot of strangers are there and people have a fear in the mind, people have a shy, people feel shy how to interact the people, how to start the conversation. This is a problem of the peoples. Many people have this types of problem, how to start the conversation with new strangers, with strangers. This is a problem. So today I am going to give a solution in this video, how to start, how to remove the fear, how to remove the hesitation with the strangers, with the new peoples. Friends, first of all, if you meet the new peoples, first of all you greet them. First of all, greet him. Uh, Hi, hello, or good evening, good afternoon, good night, like that. So first of all, you greet them. Then after you ask, you can give your introduction. Just like that, I am Satyendra. So I can say, I am Satyendra. I belong from UP, Ayodhya, and this that like that. Then after you start the conversation, and you can also ask the question, can you introduce yourself? Definitely, the front of people is can give you introduction. Then after you choose the some topics related this, a lot of topic are available. Many topics. Take example, if you are a student and you are bent for exam purpose in an exam center, a lot of students are there. If you meet the any new students are there, so then you can ask the question. Means any topics like that, you can ask the question. This topics is not prepared well. If you know, can you share me? So definitely he can share you about this topic. And do one thing. You try to ask just open-ended question, not a closed-ended question. If you ask the closed-ended question, definitely your conversation is not move. Because closed-ended question just complete the answer in one words or one sentence. But open-ended question is good to move your conversation, because open-ended question can complete the answer 2 sentence, 3 sentence, 4 sentence, or you can uh, uh, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes after, like that. So this is a good. Try to always to ask the open-ended question. This is a major point. Okay, so always you try, and if the people is exploring something, if the people is going something to visiting purpose, definitely there is also some strange people. So you can choose a topic about this area, related this area. I mean, so you can ask, do you know about this area? And if you know, share me. I don't know more about this area. So this is a topics are there, a lot of topics, and you can choose the topics about the weather, like that. And when you meet the first time, just you ask the question, just you interact with the people. Some smiley face, have a smile on the face, because if you have a smile, definitely you can build a confidence, like that. And friend person is also can take some interest to talk to you, because smile is necessary while the talking, while the conversation. And if the people is going to join the any company, like that, so then is also need to remove the fear, remove the hesitation, because everything is new here for you. The company is new, people are very new, everything is new, even your boss is new, department, every people is new. So then how to conversate? First of all, if you visit the, if you meet your boss, definitely you can first of all greet him, hi, hello, good afternoon, good evening, like that. Then after you can say your introduction like that. Sir, yeah, my name is Satyan, like that. Means I belong from there here, and I have experience in this field 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, and my previous company is this, that, like that. So means you can share about the industry with your boss, and and then after your boss is also can understand your experience, your skills, your knowledge. So this is a good way to interact the people, to conversate the new people, strangers. If you adopt this funda, if you have these types of way, definitely you can interact the peoples, and this is a good. If the people is go for this way. Okay, that's it in this video. I will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching my video.